What are you
Wow.
going, what are you going to be like? Your questioner is to have your mindset.
What?
Can you repeat the question? Because your question I cannot understand. I know you miss everything, but can you compile everything and everywhere? Because my brain is like a brain cells with the cells of the... Yeah.
Miss everything. Can you please try to elaborate your question for the second time around?
Yes.
Because my daughter cannot understand your English. Please.
Okay. So since this is our elaboration mindset, I would like to say to you, the question is, why are you going to be as a human being to conquering the world as a human? Like, where is the paper piper a pickle the paper? Do you conquer the world?
Peter Piper pick up,
Why or why not?
Peter Piper pick.
So you mean how will I conquer the world?
Yes, the universe rather.
Wow. What if I conquer your brain first before the world? Do you want me to conquer your brain? Because your brain is like a brain cells with the brain of everything, and I cannot understand everything, and I know you're everything, but it's everywhere.